Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first we draw A. A for apple. The alphabets of A. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat. The alphabets of C. And use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw F. F for fish. Kids now draw G. G for guard. The alphabets of G. And use blue color, blue color. Kids now draw H. H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw I. I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for joker. The alphabets of J. And use black color, black color. Kids again use black color and draw K. K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids now draw N. N for nose. The alphabets of N. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now draw O. O for orange. The alphabets of O. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P for parrot. The alphabets of P. Kids neither Q. Q for Queen. The alphabets of Q. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw R. R for Rose. The alphabets of R. Kids neither S. S for Sun. The alphabets of S. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher. The alphabets of T. Kids neither U. U for umbrella. And again use blue color. Blue color. Kids neither V. V for van. The alphabets of V. And use green color. Green color. Kids neither W. W for wolf. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw X. X for X-ray. Kids neither Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids neither Z. Z for zebra. And again use yellow ochre color. Ochre color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.